Hey, hey, hey! It's Jess! And you know what time it is? It's freaking close time! Woo! We are back! In this video, we're going to be talking about Factory Connection. I just got three cute tops, and a pair of jeans. So let's get into that video! Hey guys! So excited! Because I don't have much cute tops, and I went with my best friend Jeannie, and she helped me pick out some. We were supposed to get like an outfit, but you couldn't find no cute bottoms. We just got cute tops and a pair of jeans. So my first top is this really cute white crop top, and it has like this bow cinch in the middle, and it's really cute. It's really soft. I didn't expect this to be this soft and like this comfy. It's like a thick material, and it's from Vivid. Like the brand is Vivid. It says it's importer of New York City, but I got a size large because that's all they had, but it was on sale, so why not? And it fits really nice. It's really warm and comfy, and I didn't expect how soft this was. This is like my new favorite crop top. I freaking love it. I freaking love it. And it goes with anything. And then I got this next cute little crop top. It has like little bows in the front, crisscrosses, and it goes off the shoulder. You could wear this off the shoulder. It'll just make the front go more higher up if that's the kind of style you want, or you can wear it on your shoulder, however which way, or just one shoulder. But this one is meant for off the shoulder to make it real cute. And this one is brand Derek Hart. I think I'm saying that right. Derek Hart. It's a size large. I normally wear a medium, but they didn't really have any of my sizes, but they actually aren't that big when I tried them on. So I had to get it because I don't have many cute tops, and this one's really cute, and it goes with anything and everything. But yeah, I don't have a tag for that one. But yes. Then I got this next really cute flowy top, and it goes off the shoulder too. And it's one of those tops where you can like pull the string and cinch it in the middle, and it goes higher or lower, however you prefer. And it's got all these little ruffles designs. And then on the sleeves, it's like bunched up, but like very like flowy. And it just makes you want to dance. I freaking love it. They had the same exact one, but in blue. But me and Jenny were like, nah, blue's not my color. But it was really cute because it's like a pastel blue. But even the pink on the mannequin or the hanger, it didn't really look cute. But never judge a piece of clothing just on the hanger. Try it on. It might be freaking hella cute on you. So go freaking check it out. But yeah, it's just like this thick material that's like stretchy. It's like stretchy either way. Well, barely that way, but like really stretchy, and it's like kind of thick, but it's really soft and really comfy. And then like the sleeves are like a silk thin material. I wouldn't really say exactly silk, but almost kind of like that. This brand is Shine Star. Now this one is a medium. I got this one in a medium. Brand Shine Star, and it even stretches around your shoulders too. So you could wear it however high, low you want, off the shoulder you like. But I really like the pink. It's like it reminds me of like soft girl, pink grunge type, flowy, girly girl type thing. This is the vibe I get. That one's Shine Star. I couldn't find the tag for the black top. I don't know what I did with it, or it didn't come with one. And then last but not least, I got these jeans. I really don't like flowy jeans, like bell-bottom jeans, but I guess they're trendy and they're in style, and I really like them, and they're high-waisted. So you know me and high high-waisted. I gotta get it. So I paired it with the pink top because it's like a really girly, flowy aesthetic, and I love it. But they're high-waisted. Brand is YMI. It's a denim collection, flare style, and they got all these like buttons. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 5 buttons, but they're high rise, and I really like that. It's really cute. Sometimes I'm just like, I don't wish it didn't have all the buttons, because I feel like sometimes I'll be sit down or walking, and then all of a sudden they go pop all the way down, and see how easy that was? And your whole pants are down, and everybody sees your panties and whatever else. But hey, it's easy to go to the bathroom in. I'm afraid at some point they would pop open when I'm walking or sitting and be like, oops, peek, peek. Be like, oopsie, don't need it that easy. But I don't need it that hard either. But they got pockets, yay. They're actual real pockets. Got all 4 pockets, 2 front and 2 butt. And then they have these rips. They got a few rips, not real big. They're just kind of like real small on both of the legs. And then at the bottom, like I said, they flare out, and then they have like this little hinge type thing at the bottom. See that? But yeah, and then the back is just plain. And these are comfy. I like them. They're soft. But I normally go for skinny jeans and leggings that are comfy, but these are cute. They're in style. I think that's it. So let's get into the try-on. Woohoo! Bra is from Denim Sports. Skirt is from Zumiez. High knee socks, can't remember, had them forever. And the boots are from Shoe Sensation. And then obviously the whole outfit is from Factory Connection. Bra is from Denim Sports. Skirt is from Zumiez. And then socks, can't remember, had them forever. And boots are from Shoe Sensation. Top is from Pinterest. Shorts are from Pinterest, but they're from Sceneries. I'll pop the word up and link in bio. Fishnets are from Hot Topic and Spencer's. Find them at both. And boots are from Shoe Sensation.